Hi, Jez here from nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here today with a lovely, simple, elegant card that I've done with varied vases, and these are my customer thank yous for those that shopped with me in June. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. So I'm using extra thick Whisper White, so this is just cut in half, scored in half, to form a A6 card base. I'm going to use blueberry bushel and of course the varied vases and the coordinating punch. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I want to form my nice block of colour here. So I'm using a H block and I am going to dip the block in my ink so I get some ink on it like so, and then I'm going to take my aqua pen and I'm just going to drop a little bit of water on it like so, and then I'm just going to swirl it round, get it a bit messy. Put a bit more water there. You can feel it if it's sort of feeling a bit too tacky. There we go. And then I'm just going to line this up so it's straight. Try not to splodge, but it doesn't really matter. And then I'm just going to place it down on my cardstock. And then pull it up. So you'll get a different pattern every time you do it. So just going to leave that to dry a little bit. Might get a bit of tissue there. Gone through, never mind. And then I'm just going to take a scrap of Whisper White, which I didn't get ready. And I have just mounted that vase, because that's the one I fancied. There we go. And then I'm just going to punch that out. Now, what you need is a little bit of Whisper White. Take a little bit, well, you can use any colour, it doesn't really matter. Take a bit of sticky, stick it on so you can hold it, and then you can put it in like so. Line it up. And there, I shall keep that for the next time I need to do that. Get rid of these scraps. And that's my vase ready for the next bit. Now I want to do some stamping on this. So I want to make a little shelf going across. So I'm going to use Memento. Lining that up to make it straight on my grid mat. And I'm going to go across about there. So my vase is going to sit on top of the shelf. So I've decided to go for the flower that bends around. I'm not going to colour the flower because there's already colour on the background. So stick that about there. So it's nice sort of one layer card here. And then I'm just going to get some dimensionals, which I haven't got with me. There we go, new packet. Don't know where my dimensionals went, but never mind. So I should put one at the bottom, one at the top. Like so, and then I've chosen to do thanks because these are going to be my customer thank yous for everybody who shopped with me in June. So I'm just going to put a little thanks down there. And that is a very quick, very simple, elegant little card. All the details you'll find if you click the link below on my blog, and also there's a link to my shop, or if you go over to my blog you can find it there. And I'd love to have you shopping with me, and I'd love to make you a card like this next month if you shop with me this month. Okay, see you again soon.